guys, I am so excited. I know that it's been a while since I have done any videos, posted any videos, but I've been on vacation. Blah, 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 blah. So I hope all of you guys have been having a fantastic beginning of fall, end of summer, getting the kids back in school, watching your grandbabies go back to school, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. So, I had posted on my Facebook group that I was going to start receiving a kit. Now, I'm paying for it. This isn't you know, something where somebody's given me product. I'm paying for it. From Dreamz Etc, they started a subscription box once a month. And you get the box, which I have not opened yet. I have waited like 3 days. I've had this in my hot little hands, and I have not opened it yet. I took it out of the packaging, and that was it. So pretty in the front. And along with that, you get a digital kit for free. So I'm going to flip through the digital kit really quickly. Now you get 5 ephemera and card topper pages. So this is totally for card makers, journalers, mini album makers. She's giving you everything in here. And it will work on any of the previously stated items. So lots of great ephemera. I love the colors. God. And the birds are just gorgeous. And the watercolor effects that you get from this paper. These are the journal pages. Of course, mini album. Here is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper for you to cut up and make in your mini albums. And this bird you see quite often throughout, but the watercolor effects of the items. Now you got to remember, there are people, and they're very talented, but there are people that find digital items and bring them together and put them on paper. Now I know Jen probably does some of that, but she also, most of this stuff is her own artwork. So, you know, it's a little different. These aren't, for the most part, aren't items found, you know, in the free digitals that you can find. Most of this is her artwork. And so it's just stunning. Just stunning. I mean, look at the watercolor effects that you get from the flowers themselves. They're just so soft, but yet it's a very vibrant color paper. I just love it. That bird is just dynamite. These are little puffs of cotton. Dragonfly. Just beautiful. And you've got your lines for writing on the journals, or, you know, if you're a card maker, it really doesn't matter that there's lines on the paper. You can make beautiful cards. Look at that for one of those tall, thin cards. Just beautiful stuff. I love the acorns in it. You've got butterflies, snails. Well, gardeners don't like snails. I know that from my friend Laurel. She does not like snails. So that is, you get 10 journaling pages. You get 5 of the card toppers. You get 5 of the recipe cards and pockets. So you've got, these are your pockets. These are pockets. Love the 2 birds. Love the popcorn. Pineapple. Pineapple. Yeah, pumpkin. 3rd time's the charm. They're just lovely. They're just absolutely stunning. Lots to look at. Lots of little things in there. And then you get 2 sheets. This is a spiced tea, and this is a pumpkin pie. And then you get 2 sheets of the recipe cards, which both sheets are different. Then, so I think it's 31 pages total that you get, which is a nice size kit. And then you get 6 bonus pages. So these are with outlines. So this would be something that, you know, the mini album makers would probably be a little more inclined to use on, you know, for the most part. However, many album makers like to have things that are written. Isn't that good? I mean, I can totally see that. That's a front cover right there. Just right off the bat, you know. Little bird hiding in the bushes. And then, and you know, this is dynamite as well. It's just the basket of mushrooms and all. I just love it. So anyway, so there's that. Now we get to open the box. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so you get an October project sheet. And I know that she also is doing a video that goes along. I don't know. I have not seen it yet. So I don't know if it's showing these specifically. It probably is. The launch date for video project demo on Dreamz Etc YouTube channel is 10/25. And this is 2022 if you're watching this in the future. So, and this is her first box. As you can see, it is still stickered on. And there is the tear. There's always a tear. Okay, so here we go. Ooh. All right, let's get the bag out and see what is in this. Here we go. Okay, what do we have in here? So we have Autumn Blessings. So these must be the card kits. So that would fit on there. Yeah, so these are the different card kits that she is going, yeah, see, and they're already cut out for you. You have, these are some extra little goodies for us, probably for another kit. And then you're getting some papers, 6x6 papers that are the colors that you need, and these kinds. Okay, so that's interesting. And then you've got three envelopes and 3 cards, and then extra papers and extra goodies to cut out. All right, so there's that. Just going to see if I can quickly slide this back in here. All right, there we go. So it's good for covering those card makers. Now here's a Prima flower, and that's really pretty. Oh, and we get a lace kit. You know me and laces. So you get a little lace kit. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 7 pieces in there. So that's wonderful. And we have, oh, it's a very nice thick burlap. We have some purple. We have a applique, and then some, looks like cotton strip, like maybe for a snippet roll or something like that. Nice closure. Okay, now here's watercolors from Royal Langnickel. I think I'm saying that right. Okay, semi-moist watercolors. So you've got all the primary colors in there. Okay, Nuvo Hybrid ink pad, fast drying all surface ink, and it's black shadow. Okay, I've never tried their ink, so I will try that. What do we have here? We have some they will pop up sticky things. And then there's some die cuts of leaves and pumpkins in there that are sparkly or shiny. So you do get a nice little kit to do all kinds of things in here. Now you have wooden butterflies, beads. Let's see if you can see all that. Let me take it out of the package. So this is really everything you're going to need in order to make whatever it is that you'd like to make. I mean, you can totally use these on cards. You might not want to mail them afterwards, but... And I dropped a little something, something. You've even got the bead caps and rings. I don't want to lose any of this, because I think I will probably work this kit. I have been needing a, there's all kinds of beads and charms. Yeah, really cool. Okay. But I have been needing a place to put all of my recipes for, my husband wants to put on a Christmas party again this year. So I, now when I put on a party, I put on a party. My mother had to do, oh, there, I missed some. My mother had to do parties growing up. Dad was in the military. He was an officer, and he usually was like running the base most of the time wherever we lived. Oh, and look, this is a really nice stencil from Create Happiness Stamperia by Vicky. By Vicky. Maybe you can say her name, but hopefully you can see this. So this is Create Happiness, I guess. It's got postal things, different writings. Yeah, very cute. Very cute. Okay, so, and then I didn't show you this one. Woodware Craft Collection, Clear Stamp Set by Jane Gill. It says thank you, but the flowers work very well with the kit. And I would imagine the watercolors on this is going to be really nice. So we'll have a play with that as well. But for right now, I am going to put all of this away, and I definitely think I will be utilizing this kit. Maybe I'll do something once a week, and we will have a play for sure. For sure. Okay, so there, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm all excited. And I know one thing I'm going to be making is a recipe book. I've already got recipes. I just need a place to put all of them that I like to do when I have people over. So appetizers and stuff like that. It's so that's what I'm probably going to do with the majority of this. But we'll make the cards and do other stuff too, so you can see. I love you all. I talk to y'all later. Bye. Turn you off.